This is the K7 Premium Pressure Washer Kit from Karcher, featuring everything you need for the car and home. It's a 2.2 kilowatt unit producing up to 2600 PSI at the pointy end. Built in is an integrated water filter, so you just connect the water, the power, turn it on, and all the controls are on the Power Gun Plus. Now those controls include the ability to dial in the water pressure and the dosing of the shampoo or detergent, whatever you need to suit the application. This unit comes with a 3-in-1 multi-spray jet lance. It's got a flat spray, a rotary spray, and a detergent mix spray. And the unit's got a plug-and-clean detergent system to go with that mix setting as well. And to get you started, there's 2 bottles of 3-in-1 car and stone and paver cleaner. You just invert and insert those cleaners into the top of the unit and then dial in the mix to suit the application. And because the bottles on those cleaners are clear, you can see how much you've got left as well, which is a really cool feature. Other included attachments include the spray lance extension, an adjustable hard surface cleaner for concrete and pavers, a wash brush with soft bristles for car cleaning, as well as a foam jet too. A couple of cool features worth noting is the extension handle and large wheels for easy mobility. All the connections are quick connect. That 10-meter hose gives you plenty of reach and mobility, but it also winds back in on the built-in reel on the rear for easy storage and transport. This is a really impressive unit from Karcher. Make sure you check it out at sydneytools.com.au, and while you're there, check out the entire Karcher range or drop in store and talk to the team. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.